Okay, this is the student evaluation of preceptor and clinical site, and we are doing some evaluations at the end of your practicum experience. You will actually fill out this form and provide some feedback on your experience and what went well, and maybe there were a couple of things that maybe could have been done a little better. So you can either do this handwritten, or you may also do this by marking X's in the appropriate boxes and highlighting or underlining the yes or the no at the very bottom. So again, we want to hear about your overall experience with the practicum. So we are also going to take a look at the preceptor evaluation of the student, and this is actually part of the preceptor packet. So this is something that your preceptor will do in response to the overall experience. And just note, if there's something that you didn't specifically do, you may want to mention to your preceptor that NA is perfectly fine, and that they can include specific comments and feedback. So the student can actually the student can actually send in the preceptor evaluation. Very often the preceptors will sit down and do the evaluation with the students, or the preceptor may choose to send the evaluation to me directly via email, and that's perfectly fine. Just we need to be sure that this is indeed submitted, because we use this as part of the overall evaluation of the practicum experience. So if you have any questions about this form, please do let me know. And sorry about that. We will also have you upload your completed your student outcomes, your goals and objectives, and your practicum log. So what you're going to do is as you've been documenting all your hours, you're going to make sure that you have all 90 of your hours completed, and you are going to submit your completed practicum log and the assignment link as well. So again, remember, this is the form that you started out early on in your practicum experience, delineating your goals and objectives and documenting your hours as you went throughout the practicum. And this is where your preceptor has to sign that you indeed completed your practicum hours. We need verification of that, so remember to have your preceptor sign your log before you submit it. So if you have any questions or concerns about these 3 final documents, please do let me know. But these are to be completed at the very end. Do not submit these before you have all of your hours completed. Thank you so much, and take care.